Hello there, YouTube friends. Thank you so much for coming to my video today. This is going to be an unjarring of yet another $10 jewelry jar. I never look at them. I just sort of buy them sight unseen. She sells them to me. She saves them for me. So, wait, am I too close? I don't know. One thing I notice is it's not filled all the way to the top. Hey, come on now. Now, the last few times, we haven't found that much super great stuff, but we have found some very, very great stuff in the past. So here's hoping. And even if it's bad jewelry, how bad can it be? We're going to hang out a little while and we will have some fun together. Thanks for coming, everybody. Let me know what you think below. Please subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button. That actually helps me out. Okay, I'll be right back. Fingers and toes crossed. Let's hope there's something good in here. I see some interesting old earrings right on top here. That's odd. These are pretty. These are art glass. Those are neat. What's wrong with that? Nothing, I say. Do we see any marks? I think we don't. But these certainly look like they are 1950s, maybe 1960s. Those are cool. Really cool, actually. So I will put the better stuff over here and the cheaper stuff over here. I will probably sell most of this stuff in an auction. And if there's anything good, I'll sell it individually. And if anybody sees anything they want, reach out to me at iamthefunkypickle@gmail.com. And we got some tangles. This is weird. Is this homemade or something, or handmade? Oh, what? Wait a second. I know comprehend. This is it's a necklace? What? There's all kinds of earrings on here. This must be what somebody made. Did somebody make that by hand? That looks like a lot of work, doesn't it? I think somebody did, though. Well, bravo. That's very cool. That is very, very cool, whoever did that. I think that's what it is. It doesn't seem to be factory made, right? Look at that. They twisted each of these little things onto the back. Well, that's pretty neat. That is pretty neat. I can tell it's not real, but I can also see there's not a mark. Okay. In the past, some of these have been handmade stuff. I don't know what this is. Not sure what it's supposed to be. I guess just parts, so you could make jewelry. Here are these cool little metal things. More of these. Jewelry making. Yeah, somebody made this one likely. Oh boy, I see a lot of handmade stuff here. I'm not going to pick all these up. Let's see if we see anything interesting. These are weird. Are those pagodas? Is that what that is? Definitely handmade though. So I don't think any of these would really have resale, but they're nice. And I could definitely use some of these for parts too. Like these are particularly nice, I think. Nice lever backs. So I'll have a look at these and see if I can use anything here. This is heavy and oh, look at that. That's kind of pretty, isn't it? I actually like that quite a bit. I like these discs. We'll put this one on our neck Let me see if I can stop that light from blinking. It's kind of weird, right? Okay. Let me put the scissors away too while I'm at it. This is another homemade, like that looks really difficult to do. Someone took this thread and I don't know. Well, pretty impressive. Here's some vintage earrings. Now these are plastic. They're light and they're warm. That's how I can tell. Just by the way they look. Those are pretty. These are vintage. This is a very long necklace. That's wood and glass beads in between. Look at the chain part. No finding on this, just big enough to put over your head. This may also be handmade. Not sure, but we'll put it on our neck. And here's another wooden one. Oh, this is pretty. I like the rich color here. Like a japanned chain. I think she made these, or I don't know, maybe he made them. I don't know if it was a... But those are the things. Those are the things I actually just got because I want to try, not to make my own jewelry, but I do want to try to restring some old jewelry I have. I have some really nice things that just have broken. Seems like this is going to be a very short video today. Well, these are cool. Claire's. I had some like this in a jar recently, and I was saying, I bet you those would actually look quite attractive on, well, they're very bright, and they would definitely show. And they're like rubbery stuff. Cute. Not expensive, you know, not worth anything. Unicorn. That's actually cute. Look at those colors. Oh, and it has a little unicorn charm. And the love. Cute. This one is stone. This one might look pretty on also. We'll take a look at this one on our neck. And here's a stretchy. And here's one definitely handmade. This one also definitely handmade. These are little thread beads, or is that the official name for them? Thread beads. This is definitely all handmade. Not a lot of vintage, but for the earrings so far. And these earrings. Oh boy. Okay. Shortest video ever. Let's see what this one says. Laugh, live, love. That's actually pretty. I like the kind of Grateful Dead thing going on. Yes, because who doesn't need chocolate chip cookie earrings with sunglasses? Whoa, somebody was smoking something. I like them. You know I like them, right? Because they're totally bizarre. And these, these look like Swedish fish. Is that what those candies are called? That's actually really fun. How about some neon pink, what's it? I have been here. Why can't I think of that? All I can think of is the Tower of Pisa because my brain cells are fried. What is this? Oh, Lord, have mercy. Help me. Help me. I can't think. I can't think. I have to put it on the screen because, yeah, I don't know. Oh, my. Okay. Pop-Tarts. Pop-Tarts with a bite out of them. That's so crazy. That's fun. Look at the sprinkles. In New England, we used to call these shots when we were kids, but other people call them jimmies or sprinkles, or maybe there's another name too. If you live in a region where they're called something else, let me know. Peace, man. This is nice. That's leather for sure. This is nicely made. And here's a little a little handmade thing that somebody did. The same person, likely. I remember when this was a thing, the bottle cap thing. Maybe I'm wrong about this, but wasn't this like a Shark Tank episode where there was a girl, I think, and her mother, and she made bottle cap jewelry, and she was making real bank? Chico's. What? Oh, I see. Wait. Huh. I don't know how that... What is this? That's weird. All right, I guess it goes like this. And then the Chico's thing is on the other side. Maybe this is worth a little something. I don't know. I like it. It's very bold. It's heavy. And what is this guy? That's probably got a little bit of age on it. Not much. JMM. Okay. Okay, here's another one of these. This one is a mermaid one. Did we already do that one? Or was there another one? Am I getting them all mixed up? Let me see. I guess we already did it. Okay. And here's some odd earrings. Quite odd. I hope the other one's here. Oh, man. Plastic beads. These are Michael's, Walmart, Hobby Lobby, etc. Probably, right? Handmade, handmade, handmade. Groovadelic plastics. Wah, wah. All right. That's all you get. No soup for you. No silver, no gold. These are so 80s. Wow, I actually remember wearing earrings like this. And then the clips would hurt after a while. You'd have to get those rubbery things, but they still hurt. They did still hurt after a while. And here's more of these. It's kind of cool. I've just never seen them before. It's a very simple way to make jewelry. This starts out as a straight thing. Yeah. Is that called a pin or something in jewelry making? I don't know. What do I know from jewelry making? Nothing. I only know jewelry wearing, jewelry collecting, and jewelry selling. Oh my goodness. Okay. That's weird too. I remember these things from somewhere. I guess those are just beads, right? Okay. Well, yikes. I guess we can put some of these necklaces on the neck. I actually think the necklaces are nice. They're not old or anything, but let's see how they look on the neck because we got nothing else to do here. Let's take a look. Well, here's this necklace. This seems like it was made with good stuff. Doesn't look like garnet beads. Hold on, let me fix the focus. Some freshwater pearls. Some carnelian, possibly. I like this, actually. I'm not sure if I would wear it or not. I don't know. I'm trying to think what I would wear this with. That took somebody a long time, I think, though. It's interesting. I'm not sure. I think I like it, though. I think I do. What do you think? This is cool, actually. You must say. This is not plastic. This is a cool necklace. This is not plastic. It's stone or glass made to look like stone. I'm not sure. That's not bad, though. Pretty. This one is interesting. I'm not sure I'm digging on that orange. Maybe. I could use this chain, though. I'm still looking for this type of chain to go with something I have. So maybe I will take this one apart because I need nice pieces of wood, though. This one I like very much. I do like this very much. I know people like to wear jewelry made of wood. I usually don't wear jewelry made of wood, but I like it. I like this. This one I like a lot, actually. What do you think? It's different. And here is the last one. She sells seashells by the seashore. I just want to see if I could say that. That one is hard. I can't say it twice, but I can say it once. Well, I think this one's pretty. I like the colors. I could see this looking cool with a summer outfit. I like it. I do like shell jewelry. That's kind of cool. Lime green, an interesting choice. I dig it. But in general, not great. Here's the best stuff. We did get some fun. We did get some kind of fun stuff. Not great. Well, what do you want for $10? Still a nice way to spend a few minutes with you guys. Hope you didn't hate it. Not too bad. Thank you so much, as always, for coming. Stay tuned. I have more stuff coming out all the time, of course. Hit the like button. Let me know what you think, and I will definitely see you soon, everybody. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.